Looking to build a gaming PC that crushes 4K without blowing past the $2,000 mark? Stay tuned because today we're diving into a high-end build that balances power, style, and future-proofing without wasting a dollar. Let's start with the true beast of this build, the RTX 5080 OC from ASUS's Tough Gaming series. This card is an absolute powerhouse for 4K gaming. It runs on 16GB of next-gen GDDR7 memory, which means blazing fast load times, smoother ray tracing, and insane frame rates even in the most demanding titles. What really sets this version apart is its build. The triple fan design with vapor chamber cooling keeps temps low, even when the action on screen heats up. And despite its size, almost 14 inches long, it runs surprisingly quiet for how much power it's pushing. Compared to something like the RTX 4090, you're getting top-tier performance at a much more budget-friendly price, especially if you're focused on gaming rather than heavy 3D rendering. This card hits the sweet spot between overkill and underwhelming. Check out the links in the description to see where you can grab one at the best price. Now let's talk CPU. The AMD 7800X 3D is a gamer's dream chip. Why? That massive 96MB cache stacked right on top gives games immediate access to data, which means better performance where it counts. With 8 cores and 16 threads, this thing isn't just great for gaming, it'll handle streaming, multitasking, and even some light editing without breaking a sweat. It's efficient, it's powerful, and when paired with the RTX 5080, it forms a combo that absolutely tears through modern titles. Want more builds like this one? Hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to like this video, it really helps out the channel. Our motherboard for this build is the GIGABYTE B850 Eagle with Wi-Fi 7. And yes, it looks just as cool as its name sounds. This board is built for next-gen gaming, we've got full support for PCIe 5, so you can run today's top GPUs and SSDs without a bottleneck. You also get built-in Wi-Fi 7 and a 2.5GHz Ethernet port, so no matter how you connect, you're getting lightning-fast speeds. And with 3 M2 slots, storage expansion is a breeze. Whether you're a first-time builder or upgrading from an older platform, this board makes the transition to AM5 smooth and future-proof. RAM might not be the flashiest component, but it's what keeps your system snappy. We're going with 32GB of CORSAIR Vengeance ARGB DDR5 memory running at a speedy 6400MHz. That's more than enough for gaming, streaming, and creative work. The built-in RGB lighting doesn't hurt either, it adds a nice visual flair to your setup without compromising performance. For storage, we've got the Samsung 990 EVO Plus. This 1TB NVMe drive uses the PCIe 4 interface to deliver blistering speeds. It'll handle your OS, your most played games, and your apps with room to spare. Fast boot times, quick load screens, and silent operation make this one of the best options out there for any high-end build. Keeping your CPU cool is essential, especially with a performance chip like the 7800X 3D. That's where the FROZN A620 ARGB cooler from ID Cooling comes in. It's got strong airflow, a stylish white finish, and adjustable RGB to match your theme. Whether you're pushing your system under heavy load or just wanted to stay whisper quiet during long gaming sessions, this cooler's got you covered. Powering the whole rig is an 850-watt unit from Superflower. It's 80+ Gold certified for high efficiency, fully modular to keep your cable management clean, and ready for the latest hardware with ATX 3.1 and PCIe 5.1 support. This PCU is reliable, quiet, and strong enough to handle power spikes from our RTX 5080, exactly what you need in a build like this. And to wrap it all up, we're putting everything inside a stunning walnut wood case from Okinos. This isn't just a PC case, it's furniture. The natural wood grain gives your setup a premium look that stands out from the usual plastic and metal boxes. Just make sure it's got enough room for that big GPU, and you're good to go. Form meets function in the best way. That's our high-end build for September 2025. Powerful, beautiful, and just slightly over budget if you go all in on aesthetics. Want to see prices and product links? Check the description below. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome PC builds and upgrade guides.